to and call it, put a call out to describe this detail information. Okay, you have to use in this case the detail line annotation, this detail line. Okay, and also you can add a hatch pattern or something in this detailer. Okay. Also the region filled region. Okay, and that means you want to add a filled region from here as a rectangle. I want to add a filled region. Okay, and you may close it to this area. If you edit type this background fill pattern, may choose the fill pattern for this. Okay, and apply. Okay, this is just a detailed component, belongs to the current view only.
Okay.
In this sections only. Okay. If you take another sections at the same time or beside this, you will not see this detailed component. It's only in this view. Okay. Working Revit, it's by default it is it's easy. Okay. It's easy to work with Revit, but the complex or the hard target in Revit and how to create your own standard, because you are using Revit to produce a working document, not only design. In working documents, the documents must have a lot of information to let the contractor have the information to convert these working documents to be a shop drawing. Okay, do you know shop drawing?
Yeah.
Shop drawing to be constructed at the site. Okay.
It's the last drawing.
Yeah, the last stage. Okay. The last information will be used from the contractor to create a shop drawing with more details. Okay, so the drawing must have enough information to let the contractor work with. So the important stage or in using Revit, when you create your own standard according to the working documents standard. That means working documents you have produced a plans with more details. I think you will study how to produce working documents. I think this later, because they focusing in design.
Yeah, mainly design.
Yes, mainly in design. Okay, so the important thing how to create your own standard. Okay, your own standard, that means you are using so many types of wool, so you have to create so many types of wool to be shared to other people use it. This is our target or our work, to standardize all the architecture element, structure elements, or even electromechanical elements to be used later with any project may come to the as a ready-made standard.
So
and shared in a centralized place to let all the people using it. Okay, and keep enhancing this documents or this system families or even loadable families. Okay, according the development or standard developments. Okay. But working Revit, it's very easy as a massing or creating a building in very in a little time. Because you are creating a meaning or elements have a meaning like architecture or structure elements. But in AutoCAD just lines. That's very, very difficult. Okay. So we talk about the text, how to add the text, model text, and detailed text. Okay. So in this view, we already create a views. I want to talk about how to create a title block or a sheet. Okay. In this case, I want to create a sheet. Look, the sheet, it's empty. There's no sheets inside the look here. If you want to create a sheet, right click new sheet. New sheet, the default title block stored in the default template, it's A1 metric. If you want another one, you have to go to the metric and choose title block. Okay, there is a node, for example. Open the a node metric and then it's okay.
Okay, so ready.
It's already, yes. Look, this is the default name AIA and other name unnamed. This is the A101. Okay, and the name, this will be a ground floor, for example. So in this case, I want to add a floor, ground floor to it. Just drag and drop. It's easy. Put it here. Look, the annotation is already made. Zero ground floor. The name of the and scale 1 to 1. Okay. All this information must be finished or finished in the title block before inserting it. That means also the same meaning. When you want to create your own standard, you have to choose first the type of the title block, the size of title block, and also information to read automatic from the projects. Okay, this is called in project setting. That means when you are manage. This is the owner, project name unnamed. This is edit parameter. This is according parameters. A parameter, it's a little bit more advanced.
Okay.
A parameter, for example, it's a shared information. Some system families or families using this information accordingly. That means you can store this information inside the Revit file or maybe outside the Revit file in a text file.
Okay.
And let the other must be shared in a centralized location, because when we create a standard, you will share these parameters with its information in a shared folder or a centralized location of the server to let the system families or families use this information. Okay, and later time. Project parameters. I mean, you can add a project parameter to type the project parameter as you need according the meaning of using these project parameters. This is project units. You can adjust the project units for length, for area, volumes. This is by default metric. Or project information. That means the organization name may be ZFP. Architecture. Okay, and structure. Okay, building name maybe a hotel, for example. Okay, the author maybe Fayaz is the owner of the hotel. Okay, energy setting. This is called the energy. Okay, this is information. So if we want to create another sheet, metric A2 may go to the first floor and add first floor into the one. here we can add the family, and this one we can this label we can add this is a client name.
Different.
Okay, this is how to use this one, project name or project number, project status, this information. That means this is this is called a project address. Maybe I am using this to be a project number. Okay, this one I want to be a sheet name, a project name. Add this already a project name. Okay, and read this sheet number, project address, this sheet number. For example, this is sheet name, sheet name. It's okay. Label. Project name. Project name. Load into project. I already this is the default project information and must be used using this information. For client name, the owner. Yes. Yes, that's correct. Yes. Okay, and this is information should be managed from here in Fayaz. Project name, Fayaz. Fayaz Hotel. Okay, and this case. That means if you create if you adjust all this information from project information, and you can add another additional project information and additional parameters. That means this is the default parameters inside Revit, or you can add additional parameters from outside Revit to be stored in a text file, and this family can use this information to read it from outside text. Okay, as additional information. In this case, if you create your own another sheet, okay, you'll see this information already read. Okay. The project number, not the project number. So easy to adjust everything as you need to be third floor, as third floor. Zoom, properties. Okay. If you want to change the view, this scale 100. Okay. If you want to change this scale from 100. This one to be 200 or 150. Okay, and you have to move it from this. Okay, Fayaz. So it's so easy to change the scale, to change the add the view inside the plan. It's very easy, and if you want to create a sections, can you create a new sections, new one. Sheet and add the sections. Section to be okay, Fayaz. So this elevations or sections doesn't have any information yet. Okay.
Yeah.
But just I want to show you how to create the sheets, how to drag the views inside the sheets with a specific scale. Okay, Faiz, do you have any?
No, that's cool.
Okay, that's fine. I think that's enough to where yes, this one.